Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Yorkshire pudding gravy. First, begin by using the flavorful drippings left in your roasting pan after cooking meat. These drippings are the secret to a rich, savory gravy. Place the pan over medium heat and add about 1 cup of liquid, such as beef stock or water, to deglaze it. Make sure to scrape up all those wonderful brown bits from the bottom. They are packed with flavor. Next, it's time to thicken your gravy. For a classic approach, create a roux. Whisk in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of plain flour directly into the hot drippings and fat. Cook this mixture for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly to ensure there's no raw flour taste. If you prefer a gluten-free option, a cornstarch slurry works wonderfully, creating a clear and glossy gravy. Now, let's add the liquid. Gradually whisk in about 2 to 3 cups of hot beef or vegetable stock. Pour it in slowly to prevent lumps and ensure a smooth consistency. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired thickness. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps a dash of Worcestershire sauce for extra depth. For the perfect finish, strain your gravy through a fine mesh sieve. This step removes any small lumps or bits, resulting in a wonderfully silky smooth texture. If you've made it ahead, gently reheat the gravy over low heat, whisking occasionally to maintain its smooth consistency. Serve your rich, flavorful gravy immediately, generously poured over fluffy Yorkshire puddings and alongside your magnificent roast dinner. Enjoy every delicious drop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.